everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you all some techniques for you to gel down your hair. Now, these techniques are really easy, and once you catch on to these techniques, your hair is going to be flatter than ever when it comes to gelling your hair. So I'm so excited to share this with all of you. If you're new to my channel, I suggest that you subscribe because I do a lot more natural hair videos similar to this. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at Annesha.Adams, because when I'm not here posting on YouTube, I'm over on Instagram, so stay connected with me over there. Now, if you're interested in seeing how I gel down my hair, stay tuned and let's begin. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is make sure your hair is wet. I feel like it's easier for me to slick down my hair when my hair is wet, so go on based on your preference. You like your hair better when it's wet, or maybe you like your hair better when it's blown out, but I personally think I like it better when it's wet. After combing out your hair, what you want to do is part your hair. We're going to start in the back of my hair. Anyway, so I'm going to comb out my hair. You all want to make sure your hair is combed out really well. After combing out your hair, you want to go in with your hair gel. Okay, the gel that I'm using is the Ampro Pro Style Clear Ice Ultra Hold Gel. This was $2 at the beauty supply store. And then you're just going to put gel in your hair. And I use a lot. I'm not going to lie, because I really want my hair to be flat and slick down. So then I go back in with my comb the gel through my hair. Then you want to do the same thing all the way till you get to the top of your hair. Trust me, my hair is so thin on my head. It doesn't look like it, but this method really makes it easier for me to have everything really flat. So you just want to go through with the comb. Going through with your paddle brush or the comb is to distribute the gel more into your hair so your hair can lay a little bit more flat. So this is the gel. And then I concentrate it on like the roots part, and then I bring the rest back onto my hair. The reason why I concentrate on the roots is just easier for me to do, just so the hair can be really flat. And then use the comb. This could be time consuming, but literally this is probably less than 5 minutes doing this right now. It's really fast to do because it only takes less than a minute per section to apply the glue, apply the gel, and flatten your hair. My parts are not even as well because it's not a big deal at this point. Okay, now I'm just going to do the front of my hair. Comb. Put gel down. Okay, so I finally have my hair gelled back. It sounds like a lot of gel is in my hair right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is probably take out hair right here. I'm just going to twist the front right here. So after gelling your hair, you can go ahead and put your hair in any style that you actually want. You can go ahead, put it in a bun, have it just like, if my hair was shorter, I could have, when my hair was shorter, like really short, I used to be able to just gel my hair down straight onto the back of my head. But this is how my hair is looking right now. My ends are not really as gelled. It's okay because I can put my ends in a ponytail. Basically, gelling down your hair is all about technique. Once you get the technique, your hair will be super flat, and that's what you really want when it comes to gelling down your hair, because I know it can be like so annoying when you're trying to gel down your hair and some parts are bigger than others. Some parts of your hair are just trying to come out and you're just like, I'm not having this right now. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Definitely, again, as I said throughout the video, all you need to do is gel your hair, pat it down, comb it out, and you're going to do that throughout your whole entire hair, and I guarantee your hair is going to be so slick down. It's going to look good, and it's going to be easier for you to have that slick back, very sleek look. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.